Understanding Spectrum's billing timeline is crucial for avoiding late fees and service interruptions. Let's break down their grace period and late payment policies. When Spectrum issues your bill, you have 21 days to pay your current charges. This is your official due date. However, Spectrum provides a 30-day grace period after the due date. During this time, you can still pay without incurring a late fee. If you miss the grace period, Spectrum applies a late fee of $8.95, though this amount can vary by state. The situation becomes more serious around 50 days after your billing date. At this point, Spectrum may temporarily disconnect your internet service. Complete service cancellation may occur after approximately 62 days. Here's what a typical Spectrum bill looks like, showing the due date and amount owed. Important to note, while current charges are due 21 days after bill delivery, any past due balance is due immediately and cannot wait for the grace period. Finally, as of May 2025, Spectrum charges a $5 fee for autopay failures. However, they provide immediate notification and give you 3 days to update your payment method before applying this fee. Understanding these timelines helps you avoid unnecessary fees and service interruptions. Keep track of your due dates and take advantage of the grace period when needed. The first step to request a Spectrum bill extension is to check your eligibility online. Log into your Spectrum account through their website or the My Spectrum mobile app. Once in the billing section, look for options labeled Promise to Pay or Payment Extension. If available, select Make a Payment or Payment Arrangement and choose the Promise to Pay option. If you don't see an online extension option, call Spectrum customer support at 833-267-7094. Explain your situation and request a payment extension or arrangement. You have several payment arrangement options. You can request a one-time extension, especially if you haven't requested one before, or set up an installment plan to pay your bill over time. To increase your chances of approval, be proactive and request an extension before your bill's due date. If initially denied, politely ask to speak with a manager who may have more authority to approve your request. Finally, if you qualify for low-income assistance, explore the Spectrum Internet Assist program. This program provides discounted internet service to eligible households and may help reduce your monthly bills.